This off the charts is based on research from Jerry Organ of the University of St. Thomas Law School. And our first chart shows legal school tuition, law school tuition. It's been on the up and up. That bottom line, the white line, is for public schools. If you're resident there, up 1,000%.
The public universities,
since
if you're resident in the state.
Exactly.
Okay.
About a 10% growth rate per year. That's closing the gap with private school tuition, which is the red line at the top. Private school tuition up 400% since 1985.
So what's the payoff? If you're willing to spend this kind of money on law school tuition, what do you get out of it?
Well, here's our second chart. Average legal salaries. It's a little bit disappointing for those who are in law school and looking to enter the workforce. It's been declining since 2009.
Broken
at
correlation.
The big firms, broken correlation, definitely. At the big firms, your average salary has gone up 250% over time, but you can see it's certainly declined since 2009. Overall, still up 170% since 1985, but it's kind of hurting for anyone who put that much money into their legal education.
Yeah, I wonder what the supply and demand charts would look like given
Well, that's
dynamic.
interesting because applicants have dropped 20% versus last year, but these law schools are still raising tuition nonetheless.
So where does that leave you if you're a law school grad?
You can't really buy a home, it turns out. This same research study found that in order to buy a modest home, law students will need a salary at least twice their annual tuition in order to just buy a home. I mean, what happened to the American dream where if you studied really hard and you became a lawyer of respected profession, you might be able to own a home? It turns out that 54% of 2011 law grads can't do that.